Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to connect to ShopeePay to Play Store. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and open your Google Play Store. And then from here, you want to click on your icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Then on this page, you want to confirm that you're logged into your account. If not, go ahead and choose Switch Account. But if you're all done, just go ahead and scroll down and click on Payments and Subscriptions. On this page, simply click on Payment Methods. Then from here, you'll see the option to choose and add ShopeePay. Just click on it and it'll direct you to your Shopee account. And if you're not logged in yet to your Shopee account, it'll ask for your login. Just simply log in using your account. And basically, that's it. You'll be able to connect your ShopeePay to Play Store. Now you know how to simply connect ShopeePay to Play Store in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!